What's going on, guys? It's Dragon's View. About to hop in this year Mustang crowd killer, and what's going on, guys? Dragon's View here. 312 visuals, sound visuals. We're about to do a car photo challenge in Chicago. We got the snow kind of coming out. We got Audi A4, WRX, FRS, Mustang, and then we got classic Datsun out in the back. So the challenge is we're gonna each get, we were supposed to have another photographer, so we were gonna each get a car. Couldn't make it out. Still shout out to Kev. And yeah, so we're just basically gonna raffle off who gets which car. We're gonna split up across the city, try to get the best shots we can, and then we're gonna come back to the meetup spot. And then after that, you guys will see on our Instagrams the pictures. We're gonna choose, we'll see how many pictures we choose each to be our finals. We're gonna post them anonymously, and then you guys get to vote on who you think the best picture or pictures are. So yeah, let's find out who gets which car. Just spin it. So 312 visuals. Good. A3.
Oh shit.
Alright, bet. Hit replay and then spin it.
We're replay.
So now sell visuals. Damn ads. We are not sponsored, by the way. WRX. Cool. Cool. Thank you, sir.
Uh-oh.
Alright, cool. So there's two cars. I mean, you guys can do that.
Alright.
So.
That's important. So I get the stain in the WRX.
Alright, guys. So I got the FRS, Datsun A3, Mustang, and WRX.
Yeah.
Great.
Yup.
Cool. So we all have 2 hours to split up, find unique spots. So basically the rules are no usual spots like murals, planetarium, Chicago theater. Second rule, no Photoshop, but pretty much everything in Lightroom goes, all color grading and all that. And then we will post how many pictures final, because we have to put it in one Instagram page.
So like no more than like 4? Like one, like
are
we putting an IG story, right? Yeah.
So 4. So we're gonna come up with 4 final pictures, and then you guys get to vote on Instagram who you think is best, and then winner we'll find out. All right. What time is it?
11:25. So what? 1:30?
So 1:30. We gotta come back to this spot.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright.
Cool.
Cool.
Got to record, but just literally like 2 blocks from where we met up. So you got the park, and then you got Chicago flag, American flag. Next spot. Alright, guys, next shot. What I'm gonna try to do is get some panning shots. FRS coming across the road under these tracks. Hopefully traffic lets me just chill right in the middle as he comes across, get the shot. I've never done panning shots, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go.
Alright, just took some pictures of the WRX. Now I'm gonna get the Mustang in the same spot basically. Alright, I just got done filming or photographing the Mustang by itself. Now I'm doing both WRX and Mustang right here in front of the mural. And I'm gonna most likely get landscape shots because it's a really wide angle shot and I don't have that much room to back up. So I have to improvise.
Alright guys, second spot. Basically I'm just gonna try to get more panning shots. Oh, by the way, I'm shooting with the Canon R Sigma 35mm lens. Brand new lens for me. Well, this is probably my fourth shoot with it. So I'm gonna try to get panning shots going east and west over here. So I'm gonna try to be like in that walking where that post is, basically one right there. So the panning shot will get that nice background with those buildings. So yeah.
Okay, we're here at Maxwell Street, or like, yeah, and I have these cars in the way, so I gotta do this really quick.
I'm here chilling, got the tripod, getting the roller shot so he comes across right here. As I move the camera, the car should be theoretically in focus while the background's buried, most likely roller shot. It's a pretty unique spot in the sense that it's just a street, there's no like specific background, but still it's a nice building, so looks good. Alright guys, so right now it's like 12:30. Still got an hour left to meet up with the boys. Suggested by the owner, Momo, shout out. Pretty dope spot. Trying to get some rear end shots this time. Let's get it. Hey guys, so I'm here at this next spot. So I'm here on the bridge. Now I'm trying to get them coming across down here. It's not exactly going to be a panning shot, so everything's going to be in focus just because I have to have the shutter speed high so I can make sure he's clear. And I don't have a tripod, so they have this just be in the way. It's gonna look cool because it's kind of empty and it's an overhead instead of just like, you know, ground level.
Alright, we came to the mural here in Logan Square. We forgot his name. Rest in peace, William. I remember he's from Dead Poet Society, but I used my drone for the pictures. I took a few on my camera, but mostly drone shots, because I mean it captures the whole mural and the cars. Pictures came out really cool. And now we're gonna go to the Welcome to Chicago mural that's like around the corner. Hopefully there's no cars in the way, and we'll head back to the meetup spot.
Alright guys, next spot. It's a little roundabout. I like the buildings, like the snow on the bushes. Got those like old school pole lights. Here I'm gonna get a rear end shot. The buildings are like squiggly, so I'll try to get it in. Nice little angle.
Alright guys, we came like 2-3 blocks away and came to the Welcome or Greetings from Chicago mural again. This big old puddle came out really cool with these reflections. And now we're gonna park the WRX really quick underneath these train tracks. Because if you park in the right angle, you're gonna cover like that Ford Focus and that Jeep. But we got 20 minutes to get back to the Juice WRLD mural, like Fullerton Market where we had first met up. And yeah, then we'll call it a day. But yeah, let's head back.
All right, I got 15 minutes left. Found this spot while just driving back. So we got a nice fog, skyline, snow in the background. Yep, this will do just fine. Alright guys, we met back up. Sal was the first one to get here. He was actually on time. I was here like 3 minutes late, and it is like 12 minutes after, and 3:12 just got here. So I don't know what we should do about the fact that we're late. I know the challenge is supposed to be, you know, 2 hours only. So I don't know, we'll figure something out. Maybe we'll discount votes or something. Also, I think Sal, he went to the most popular murals when we said no popular spots. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll discuss with everyone. All right, guys. So the votes are in. We tallied everything up. So here, FRS got 8 votes total. Mustang got 3. Datsun got 3. See, I expected this to do much better. The Mustang. Oh, this one got no votes. RIP. Can I get an F in the chat? An F in the chat, please. This one got 15, actually.
That one came out real good.
I
really like that one.
And then Audi. This one got no votes again. Wow.
Oh damn.
Disrespect.
I feel I took the shot uneven because the buildings in the background are kind of off. I feel like center the car.
Subi, that was my favorite from your set.
Yeah. So, oh, it's nice.
Yeah, that one got 4. This one got 11 total.
I like that one. Someone asked me if that was taken on a drone.
On a drone?
Yeah.
This one is number 9 on mine. It got 3 total. I like this. I think this one was like my favorite from Edgar.
It's like this one actually came out even, surprisingly.
Yeah, the whole play with the foreground, the low angle, crisp.
Yep.
Even like the wheels and everything. And then last set, FRS. So this one's the one with the most. It got 20 votes.
Sheesh. Oh damn.
For real. And it's funny because this is the one I planned the least.
Really?
Because I was taking the panning shot. I was taking this picture, and then I'm like, okay, let's go. So he stopped at that red light. So I was about to get in the car. I'm like, oh, on the way there, there's no cars. Just quick snap, you know.
Yeah. It's funny. It's like the pictures you least put the least amount of effort. They sometimes end up being the best ones.
Yeah, literally. Cause like of this, I only took like 2 pictures, and like the other ones, I took like a bunch until I got, you know, kind of one I wanted.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it does look nice. I mean, I like the background. Mustang. This got 2 votes. Another F in the chat. And lastly, Audi with 3 votes.
Another F in the chat.
Nah, it's cool, guys. It's cool, guys.
Yeah.
Next challenge, you got them.
Yeah.
So, in summary, here's the results of each of the pictures. As you guys can see, picture number 10, the FRS, got the most votes with 20. Funny enough, that one was the less planned one that I did. I actually expected number 1 to come in clutch, but that one actually only had 8 votes, as you can see. But yeah, I had a pretty fun time. Thanks to 3Toe Visuals and Sal's Visuals for coming out. This is actually based on another photographer, Aiden Peterson, North Borders, and 7th Era. They do like their own version out in all across the world, pretty much. Particularly, this one is based on cars, whereas they do it on, you know, more like creative shots. And then in this particular case, the prize was gonna be, I was gonna make a custom shirt of the winner's Instagram and maybe a car of their choice. But in this case, My pictures did get the most votes, and well, I already have a custom shirt. So give me ideas on what you guys think the prize should be for the next winner, or maybe what the punishment should be for whoever has the least amount of votes next time. Alright guys, and that wraps up this video. I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for more photo battle, photo challenge videos. I'll try to make it a series, try to have at least once per month. I'll try to get more photographers, different cars, work our way up. And remember to follow every photographer's Instagram or YouTube. I'll link them down in the description. Maybe I'll put like a title card here or something. So definitely check them out. And make sure to check out my Instagram at dragons_view. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, leave a like, share with your friends, and let me know what you guys think about the pictures. Until next time, stay tuned.